Hello, good morning. Today we are going to conduct a memory game with some items. Here we have some items. You can see the items. We have a box, keychain, photograph, tablet, bangle, and emojis, and protractor, red pen, slate pencil, chocolate, bottle, tiffin box, keychain, cool drink, wooden stick, pencil, hair clip, flower, watch, ID card, and a ring. With this, we are going to give time 30 seconds time, 15 seconds time to watch these items. Then a student will reveal all the names in 30 seconds. Now, our 8th class student, Bhanupriya, is ready to participate in this activity. Are you ready, Bhanupriya?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can watch these items in 15 seconds. I'll give you 15 seconds. Start. Are you ready now?
Yes.
Turn that side and start saying the names. I will say yes or no. Start.
Flower, clip, pencil, slate pencil, chocolate, sprite, chain, watch, ID card, tablet, compass, keychain,
Repeat
water
it.
bottle,
Repeat.
pen, slate pencil,
Repeat.
Time in, sir.
Time. 40 seconds. I have given more time. Okay, give her a big round of applause. Now Molly will take part in the activity. Molly, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 15 seconds time. Turn on that. Turn on. Yes, you can watch. Turn on. Okay, time up. You turn that side and reveal all the names.
Compass, passport size, yes. Tablet, yes. Chocolate, yes. Pencil, yes. Wood, wooden stick, yes. Bottle,
7,
yes. Carry box,
8,
yes. Sprite,
9,
yes. Clipper,
10,
ID card,
11,
ring,
12,
watch,
13. Time up. Very good. Give him a big round of applause. How many? 13. 13. Now very good. Super. Excellent. Will take part in this activity. Lavanya, are you ready? Okay. You can watch. Time on. 15 seconds time. Up. Reset. 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 Are you ready now? Okay. Turn on.
compass, keychain, emoji,
3,
flower,
4,
watch,
5,
pencil, slate pencil,
6,
pencil,
7,
red pen,
8,
5-star,
9,
sprite,
10,
tiffin box,
11,
watch,
12. Right. 2 times.
emoji,
12. No. 2 times.
protector,
2. Okay. 12,
bottle,
13,
wooden stick,
14,
bangle,
15,
flower.
16. Time. Very good. Okay, 16 girl mark, boy mark 13 పడింది, girl mark 16 పడింది. ఇప్పుడు మీరు 17 చేయగలిగితే బాగుంటది. Now ready to part in this activity? Narasimha, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 15 seconds time. Watch it. After 15 seconds, he should mention the names of all the items. There are 21 items. Okay, reset. Now we'll give you 30 seconds. Are you ready now? On that side. Start.
Compass, photo, tablet, water bottle,
4,
tiffin box,
5,
Sprite,
6,
ID card,
7,
ring,
8,
slate pencil,
9,
red pen,
10,
red pen,
10,
5 star,
11,
chain,
12,
wooden stick,
13,
protractor,
14,
emoji,
repeated. Time up. 14. Okay, give him a big round of applause. What is the mark of the girl? 16. What is the mark of the boy? 14. Ramya will take part in this activity. Ready? Ready, Ramya? Okay. Turn on the timer. You have 15 seconds. Watch the items. Turn off. Reset. Now you will be given 30 seconds. Okay? Turn on now. Turn that side.
14.
1,
Strike.
2,
Chain.
3,
DJ.
4,
Emoji.
5,
Pencil.
6,
Red pen.
7,
Protector.
8,
Clutch.
9,
Watch.
10,
Chocolate.
11,
Tablets.
12,
Wooden stick.
13,
Flower.
14.
Time out.
Oh, it is ready to take part in this activity. Afri, are you ready? I hope you will win the game. And more than girls, 16 are there. You need to get 17 at least. Are you ready? 15 seconds will be given to you. Ready? Watch it. Turn off. Now, time up. 30 seconds will be given. Are you ready now? Okay, start.
Sprite bottle,
1,
keychain,
2,
red pen, pencil,
4,
stable, carriage,
5,
bottle,
6, 7,
ID card. Donna.
8. Okay, give him a big round of applause. To take part in this activity, Sharda, are you ready? You can watch this. You will be given 15 seconds. Okay. Time up. Reset now. You will be given 30 seconds. Are you ready, Sharda? Chalo. Start.
Compass. Chain. Photograph. Tablet. Bangle.
4,
Protractor.
5,
Water bottle.
6,
Sprite.
7,
Pen pencil. Pen.
9,
Tiffin box.
10,
Watch. ID card. Flower. Hair clip.
14,
Ring.
15.
Sir.
Time out. Very good. Very good. Super. 15. 16 needed, 15 needed. All 14 needed. In this activity. Ramsay, are you ready? Okay, 15 seconds. Timer on. Start. Timer. Reset. Ready, Ramsay? Turn on.
Compass,
1,
flower,
2,
watch,
3,
keychain,
4,
slate pencil,
5,
red pen,
6,
slate pencil,
7, no,
water bottle,
7,
tiffin box,
8,
sprite bottle,
9,
flower,
10, cover repeated,
ID card,
okay, 10,
triangle,
11,
photograph,
12,
key,
13,
Diamond.
Right.